Welcome to Wigglesticks TV. So the task for today is we're going to fix up the stops here. So we're going to drill some holes in the back of here and put some little tap in a thread. We're probably also going to replace the headset bearings, and then I'm not really sure what else we will be up to today, but that'll be the start. So yeah, the whole front end's going to have to come off. I've got the K1 triple on there, and I have the steering dampener off my 98, so I just need to trim the base part of this so that it will fit on here, because there's a different shape here on the on this triple, this top clamp, rather than the one on the SRAD. So I'll just take a little bit of that where it's marked on there, take a little bit of that out, and then we should be good to go. Yeah, so a little bit going backwards to go forwards, but then I won't have to run any little rubber foam pads on here to stop this from banging into the frame temporarily. So ended up putting new headset bearings on yesterday. This was a bit of a pain to do. It actually took quite a lot of force with the chisel on here, which is what the manual actually says, to hit that as hard as you can with the chisel to get the other one off. I think I threw the other one away. But anyway, it came off, and then the ones out of here actually popped out quite nicely. So I need to grease these, obviously, before we put them back on. These bearings should be much better than the standard ball ones. Nice tapered bearing. Yeah. I didn't film this because there was a lot happening in this alleyway today. I used a headset press from a bicycle. Uses the same way to push the cups in here, so that actually worked quite well. Put the bearing cups up in there. It's a bit hard to see, but
those long bits of swarf are generally a good sign.
so we just drilled a hole in the bump stop from the K1, and then we've threaded the hole, and then we're going to screw in some screws, and then put some washers in there to get the right height that we need, and then that should stop the forks hitting the frame. Time will tell. So we got the headset with the bump stops back in there. Let's see if this... That's probably maybe enough, I reckon. If we do need more, we'll just put some more washers in there, because there's a bit more thread there. So I'll drop the fork back in and then just see how close it is to actually fitting. Plenty of room. So we have successfully modified the mounting piece of hardware. I need to clean it up a little bit, obviously, but now it fits on the top, and then this piece obviously screws into there. Pepito! Yeah, so then we can run the steering dampener off the SRAD, and yeah, just a slight little modification to get to fit the K1 triple. So yeah, successful. So I'll just go and clean this up a little bit now, make it a bit nicer, and yeah, fit the dampener and then put the forks back in. So we got everything back mounted up again now. Steering dampener, everything's mounted up on the top. Forks and everything are back in, bearings back in. Still need to tighten all this properly, and the nuts and things, the washers underneath, but she's all back in, and yeah, at least it's getting in place. So yeah, slowly. So you can see the screws from last night we fitted, and you turn that around, and forks do not hit the frame anymore. So pretty simple little solution, but she works. So yeah, slowly. So yeah, it's getting there.